bird, catch an early worm. It's mean on this concrete when it's hot.
Yep. Let's get over there. Let's start making some noise. Okay, just pulled up to the job, so right now it's just a touch after 7 o'clock. Hey, what's up?
Morning.
Man, they keep sending you.
Huh?
They keep sending you.
Yeah, because I like you.
Yeah.
Early bird, catch an early worm.
That's
yeah.
right.
Yeah, it's nice and cool right now.
Yeah, I know. I know.
Yeah, man, it's mean on this concrete when it's hot.
I know.
It's
Yep. Yesterday was bad.
oh, day before we were
Yeah.
Saturday, Friday, Saturday. Man, it was really hot.
Yeah, so we got set up for 8 o'clock. All right, so you're good till then?
I'll take a nap.
All right, I'll wake you up when we're ready.
No problem.
Ah, splashes.
It just splashes all everywhere.
Ah, man.
Now I can go back and clean that, and I get loaded again. The plant does the same thing again.
Man, I'll tell you a secret. Dawn dish, so you take 1 cup of Dawn dish soap to like, say like a gallon of water, put in a little pump sprayer, the little one,
Yeah,
then spray your whole chute with it. So when they do that,
it comes right off.
it comes right off.
Yep. I notice all pump guys do that when we do a pump job.
Yep.
They spray the whole back of their pump.
Wow, you can't even stick tape to it.
Yeah.
It'll just wash right off, but it collects dust, so you gotta wash it off.
Oh yeah. I don't mind the dust.
Nah, who cares?
Yeah.
So, it's my nephew. It's his first day pouring concrete.
Oh, you breaking him in, huh? I won't charge you for the water.
Oh no. Okay. Yeah, if you could just kind of guide him, all right? You know, because then I can keep going with. Yeah, it's good because I'm gonna throw packs in it once we get the 2 big parts. To get on this or this, so you're working on it. Just be gentle and working into the corners. Take your time with it. The rest of this, right? So do a little bit here, and we're gonna do a little bit in the wheelbarrow and fill that step up over there, and then we'll drop the packs in. So I'm gonna throw these packs into the truck. Right now, it's almost like 80 degrees. It's gonna get up today. So we got that like a 4-inch slump right there. We got the step out of 4, so you want to pour that tight so you put a finish on it. And then we're going through, now we're gonna throw these packs in. And then the concrete truck driver right here, he's gonna mix that up for us, right?
Got it.
Yep, he's gonna drop a little bit of water in just to mix it in, and then we're gonna come down here and it's gonna restart and buy us more time, but it's gonna still set up quick after about an hour. This is what we're gonna do. We'll drop it all in, get him out of here.
Yeah.
And then we'll have extra because we got the trailer here. So we'll just throw all the extra into the trailer.
Yeah, that works.
Once he's out of here, then we'll get this situated, right?
Yep.
The sun's not on it, so that's a good thing.
We got the shade for now. We're good.
Yep. Hold the plastic. How you like pouring concrete, Trav?
I like it.
It's an intense environment.
Yeah, right. You gotta be quick.
Very quick. Yeah, we got Big Daddy over there. If you're not too quick, Big Daddy will charge you $15 or $50 for 15 minutes.
Really?
Yeah. Every 15.
Really?
Yeah. Are we pulling the rebar?
I did starting from up there.
So you got all this? Just not this spot, right?
Yeah, just not that spot.
Yeah, just give that a yank, right?
Not even a big mess.
No, not at all, right?
Nope.
This time I cleaned the chute out for you.
Yeah. I mean, you know, it all comes down in here, but
It gets loaded up down here.
yeah, it's, you know, but now we can see. It's all water just
All right, nice.
all water.
Nice.
Yep.
Man, you sure do keep your truck looking nice.
Huh?
You sure do keep your truck looking nice.
I tried to. All you got to do is sign your life away
Oh, man.
at the bottom. And that's good enough. Good to go now. All right.
Yeah, now you got some gas money to go to Starbucks.
Oh, yeah.
Even though I know you're loaded, but oh, I know.
Hey, when I go to the bathroom, I'm loaded. Okay, take care.
All right, I'll see you. Do you understand how to do it? Yeah.
He's pretty good at it.
Okay.
He did most of this whole like top section.
Okay.
He killed it.
So this here, we gotta take out tons.
I know. I don't know. I'm trying to
just-
think of where to put it. I was gonna do the wheelbarrow, but
I'll put the buggy over here.
oh, okay.
I'll drop it right here, then just throw it into the power buggy.
Okay.
There he goes. He's going off to the next one. We just didn't know where we were with heights and all that stuff. We need a bunch over here on the corner. Hey Trav, you want to clean this stuff off? Probably the best spot would be over here. There's just any tools that we're not using. You know, just any tools we're not using, just wash them off.
All right.
All right. You got the hose right over here too.
Am I good to wash them off in the grass?
Yeah, it's fine. Yep.
You want them back in the truck?
No, just leave them on the yard. It's fine.
All right.
Here, we gotta pull this tape right here.
Here, I got it.
Actually, and that one up there too.
You gotta say though, I love these packs.
What's up?
I love the packs.
You love the what?
The packs?
The packs?
The packs.
What packs? Oh,
Packs.
oh, the packs.
Yeah. These packs.
I thought you were talking like football or something.
No.
It's like, yeah.
Yeah, Packers. Yeah.
You want to take a shovel and take a couple scoops out of the center? Hey Tom, can you hand me that shovel?
Where do you want them?
Throw it right in here. I keep losing my glove.
What?
No, I keep losing my glove. Yeah, so Tom, he probably told you that all this is going to set up the steps, this, and that are going to set up before that.
All right, yeah.
Because we threw those packs. So you see what I was talking about with concrete? It's hard work, but it's a challenge. See, I know you're like that. You like a challenge, right? So this stuff will fight you.
Yeah.
Yeah, we're getting to in a little while it'll start setting up, and when it does, you gotta get all your edges in and everything. Yeah, like right now we're on a clock. You know, you gotta it's not like we could take our time, stop, or do anything like that. You know, because this stuff's ticking right now. Truck, can you grab that orange level out of the truck? Thanks. You want to shovel that out? This right here?
Yeah.
Yeah, so take a scoop out of there.
That good?
Yep. Yep. Just go right here. Yep, that's good. Okay, you want to wash this off? Make sure you wash the tools nice and clean, all right?
Yeah.
This is a nice batch.
Yeah.
You like it?
I do.
Say it's a little rocky.
A little bit, but it seems to be doable right now.
Yeah, it's not sticky. Hey, Tom, just don't step over concrete, okay? I was doing that last time.
Yeah, no. I was just thinking because I have the mud boots on, I don't want to step.
Oh, yeah.
That's the only reason I'm...
Okay. All right, well, yeah, then you're good. You're good. All right, so you got a big hole right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna keep throwing you some. You see it?
That whole thing?
We want to have it, instead of going like this,
Yeah.
we want to have it like this.
Oh, okay, straight line down.
Yeah, you see those people that walk by over there? You know who that was, right?
Oh, yeah. Okay.
You recognize them, right?
Yeah, I recognize it.
I asked them if they watched a YouTube video and they said they didn't see it. I'm almost over to you, okay?
Yeah, just gonna try to level out this hole. Don't know if I can get.
I mean, you have the right idea. You're close to it. You know, you're not too far away. You just got the thing going the wrong way.
It's dirty and nasty.
Last night I was like 800 degrees in my house. I'm like, why is it so hot in here?
Yeah. What happened? You turn the air on?
No, we have a whole house fan, so my wife turned it on to get all to switch the air in the house.
Okay.
And she turned off the AC, and I'm like sweating.
Oh, wait a minute, this isn't right.
She's like asking me if I'm eating unhealthy. I'm like, no, I'm eating healthy.
I promise.
Are your customers giving you candy? I'm like, no. I would.
Imagine they gave us candy.
Yeah, maybe. Yeah. Oh yeah. Maybe they'll come down here and give us some more cookies and stuff.
Yeah. You want any more of those cookies? At least 3.
More than that. I'm gonna back this thing up, get it out of here. And then you want to take this plywood and just kind of take a shovel and get everything to the center, and then throw it into throw it to the side somewhere for now.
What, all of this like concrete on it?
Yeah, just throw it into a bucket and then into the trailer. Don't throw it in here because we might need some of this. Uh-oh. You're scrubbing.
Huh?
You're scrubbing.
Scrubbing what?
The concrete. Here, pull over. I'll give you a card real quick. Yeah, she was just saying hi, and just gonna give her a card real quick. Have a good day. So the thing's set up right here. Just take the concrete and throw it, try to throw it on top of stuff, right? Like throw it inside there. You could take in, just empty this whole thing into there. Just don't get it onto the actual trailer. We're going against the back of the trailer. You know, I mean, you could kind of load it up through here if you want.
Yeah.
But just don't get it down over there. That's all.
All right.
You know, and then once all this is out, just kind of scrape it and then we'll wash it.
All right. Huh?
Hey, Allison.
Hello, Charlie. How's it working out?
Good. Yeah, good.
I
Yeah.
was just saying
Yeah, yeah. Wait until we get a big pour.
I'm gonna grab the other one.
The other two, just throw them in the back of the truck here, right?
Huh?
Throw the other two in the back of the truck.
I got 235 bottles.
Okay. All right, perfect.
My cooler now.
Cool.
So we're all on the same.
Sweet.
Really? It was technical, but it was nothing.
You know how like every rake you have to be careful?
Uh-huh.
Usually we're on pours where you can like fling it. You know,
Really?
You'll push it everywhere.
Yeah.
Oh, and it's just a lot. You have to be careful with this, right?
Yeah, this is so technical in like a small area.
So what's easier?
Probably the bigger, right? I mean, this is easier to finish and like faster too.
Yeah.
But the big pour, I feel like is just easier to mess around.
Really?
Yes and no though, because there's so much, you're constantly coming to a dead end, you know, like. Yeah, let's do a cleanup and we'll get out of here. Yeah, we're good. Alright, so today went good. You know, we did the pour. Even though it wasn't that much concrete, it was 4 yards. That's what we had on the truck. So 3.5 yards or whatever it was. You know, we ended up pouring. So the tricky part about this is just a bunch of little sections. So you know, you're constantly like just dealing with obstacles as you go along. You know, so like I've been saying, it's very hot out here. I shot a little bit of water on here as well just to cool it. So. You know, Travis did really good today. You know, it was his first day. You know, there's a lot to learn, as you guys know, with concrete, and a lot to take in. So I'd say for the most part he did good. When you give him guidance, he knows what to do. So you know, it was hard because when you're finishing, how you gotta get the concrete finish. You don't have a whole lot of time to teach, but I think him just being here, learning and seeing what we do is just as important. So, you know, on the next pour, he'll have a better idea of what to do as well. So, tomorrow we're gonna come back. We're gonna break the forms, clean up the dirt, all that stuff over there, get all the pins out of here. Quick little power wash just to clean it up, and then we'll be done here. So, see you guys back here in the morning. Okay, so we have this job all set. Tom, he was here yesterday. He broke, you know, popped the forms. He, you know, power wash, just cleaned up a little bit. You know, he's the customer. He's gonna get all this landscaped over here. There's a bunch of roots, and he's gonna get all that taken out and filled. And same thing over here. He wants to do some work, so you know, he's gonna come through and just dress it all up. So but yeah, so we're all set here. You know, here's the steps. Front patio. He has to clean his gutter. There's some splash with some dirt there. Corner piece. Customer's happy. Job looks great. I'll see you guys on the next one.